In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make this M1X style PHONK effect in DaVinci Resolve 19. The first step of this effect is to add the beat marks onto the timeline by pressing M on your keyboard on each beat. Then copy the clip like this. Right-click on the clip and change clip speed. Freeze the frame. Then right-click again and make a new compound clip. Trim the videos like I do. Good. Now it should first be freezed and then start playing. Open the freeze frame in Color page. Take the pen tool and mask out a portion of the clip. I recommend making them triangles. Once done, head on to the Node section and add alpha output. Go back to Editing page and copy the clip. Repeat the process, but mask out a different point. Do it as many times as you have to. Each beat is a new portion. For example, I have 6 beats marked, so I have to do this 6 times. Make sure each portion is on a different layer. Trim the videos like I do. Each layer has its own beat mark where it appears. Actually, we need one more layer. Copy one of them and open it in the Color page. Disable the old pen tool and make a new one by clicking on this icon. Mask out the car. Also make sure alpha output is connected. Now let's combine all of the freeze frames into one compound clip. Open it in Fusion. Find an effect called Edge Detect. Turn down edge width a little and then change the mode to grayscale edges. Change the color amounts to get the wanted color. I'll go with green. After that, find Glow. You can play around with the settings if you want. And finally, add directional blur. Go through the video and find the point where the first triangle appears. Go max 4 frames backwards and make a keyframe for glow size. Also make a keyframe for length and then change the angle to 90 degrees. Go to the point where the triangle appears and turn up the keyframed values. Then go forward a little and turn the values back down. If you want to adjust the timing, open up Keyframes window and drag the keyframes slightly. Once you like it, open Spline window. Highlight all the points and press S to smooth out the graph. Then reopen the Keyframes window. Now copy the 3 keyframes for each of the beat marks. Great, we only need some particles to finish off the effect. Might leave a link in the description for you to download it. Drag it onto the timeline. Copy the particles a few times and change the composition mode to screen. This way we can get more particles. Once there's enough, combine the clips and open them in Fusion. Find Color Corrector and change the color of the particles to match with the rest of the effect. That's basically it.